Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you or teach you how to enable Steam overlay in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to open our Steam application or software, and after that guys, if you are actually using a MacBook, just go to the upper left corner. So you can see there a the Apple icon or logo, and after that there is a Steam word. Click that one, and after that you can see the preferences. So click that one. Okay, so the Steam settings will pop up. So there's a lot of options here guys, and you just have to search for or look for and go to the in-game option. So here guys, so click this one. So as you can see here, so in order for us to enable the Steam overlay, we just have to find it, and this one guys. So here, just click this one guys to enable the Steam overlay, and after that you can click OK, or just have to exit or X this automatically. So that's it guys. That's how are you going to enable your Steam overlay. You can also test it by starting a game in this Steam guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Steam. Thank you.